Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of isolation. On the application of Telegram, you will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click here in this page. Then in this window of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. And here if you find updates, you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.